So,
Today we're doing makeup boyfriend challenge.
I'm going to do makeup on me, which I've never done before. And it's going to be interesting. Okay, so I'm not talented. I've never done this. So I'm going to do eyes first, I guess.
Do I?
Right, okay, so what am I doing?
So you need to open your palette.
Oh, we're using conspiracy. We're fancy over here. We don't. We're broke. Okay.
Show them the palette.
Oh, this is the colours.
Oh. Yes.
Got the palette.
You got the palette.
Now, for me, I want to go for a bold look. I want something popping. Yeah.
So what I do is choose this one.
Right, so something a little bit more skin tony.
Skin tiny.
What brush do I use?
Wipe on your hand first because there's probably a lot of shit on
Yeah, because she cleans her brushes.
it. So you dip it.
Dip like that?
Dip.
Dip, or swipe. So I've dipped. Now what do I do?
But you need to dip more because
I
you
need-
haven't
oh,
got
okay.
any product in there.
Really? Is that bad?
They say lipstick.
Oh, have I got literally got nothing on there?
Well, you have to dip again to get more product, right?
Okay. Fair. I'm really finding this difficult. Am I going under the eye as well?
No.
Oh, I've just done that. We're going under the eye as well.
So now you choose a color that is gonna give you depth in the eye.
I've got hooded eyes. What do I do?
So because you have hooded eyes, this is testing my college skills.
Yes.
Because you have hooded eyes, maybe try and go a bit to the top, you know? So here.
So I'm going up the top, right?
Not right next to your eyebrow, but close.
Okay. Oh, well, I've just caked a load of cheese dust.
Yes.
A load of cheese dust. There's a lot on there.
That's why we do eyeshadow first.
Fair. How far am I going? Am I going right to the inner eye?
What's in her eye?
Like that bit? The inside eye?
Oh, no.
Oh,
I'm foreign.
She is.
That's why I don't know things.
She's very, very Indian. Please don't hurt me. Does it look good? I think it looks good.
I think it looks good.
I'm looking amazing right now.
Mhm.
Okay, so can I use the same brush but just like wipe it off?
You can do. That's what I do.
I'm gonna get so orange. I'm gonna start looking like Donald Trump.
China.
What about flaming hot? Can I do that? So we've got
can.
flaming hot Cheetos.
You can't. You can't put it in the creases.
This is very difficult. I'm scared. Oh no.
What you do, right? Close your eyes, but not look down. Look down. Put
Yeah.
your mirror eye, look down, and then apply.
There.
Yes. Press more. Look like this. So you can
Oh,
feel,
we're going like right in the crease.
So you feel the crease, like this.
Okay, so it's like almost going around the eyeball.
Yes. By the way, with the red, you can also go under the eye and do
Under?
eye now. Mhm.
So like on that, like under here, like.
Mhm.
I mean, I'm gonna look beautiful either way. I just poked myself in the eye.
I might have some later.
Ooh. I mean, I kind of ballsed it up a little bit on the other eye.
You can fix that with concealer.
Yeah, I'll conceal it later.
Conceal, don't fill.
But with the rest of the eye, do I go darker now?
You can do a darker color like this one and just put it at the end.
So that's not a fact. It's like a dark purple.
Yeah. See how I done the smoky eye?
Yeah.
And put black. You see how I put the black
Yeah.
and it's just at the end?
Right, okay. So I can do like that with the purple.
Yeah. Put it here.
This is going to end up just being you doing my makeup.
That's not the situation.
I've done something. I don't know what I've done, but I've done something.
I think it's good.
Yeah.
I think that would look cool.
Diet Cola.
Yeah.
Right, we're gonna go for Diet Cola, which is like a silvery glitter.
I'm more of a Pepsi girl. I personally use my finger.
Oh, getting the finger out. I've got it on said finger.
Right.
And now where we go?
And you just do this. Look. And maybe try to be quite patient.
I'm not being patient. There ain't nothing patient about me.
What?
Is that good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's good. You should show them up close. Close your eyes and show them. Go even closer.
Oh, fuck up the focus. Is that an eye? Is that an eye look? I don't even know if this is an eye look.
I
This-
think it's an eye.
Would I go out like this? I'm a geezer, and I'm not gay, so no. But feeling myself.
I think that looks really good for a boy.
This is the first time me doing it.
For a boy
so-
doing it, yeah.
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 Eyeliner.
Eyeliner. That scares me. Is that the thing where it's like really close to your eyeball?
Mhm.
No, I'm not doing that.
You are.
Whoa! I just totally did this, and it looks shit. But it's me that done it, so I don't know why you look at me like that.
I mean, yeah.
Yeah.
Flashback.
Do you want me to just do it and then you can pretend that you've done
End of flashback.
it? Foundation.
Foundation. So obviously I don't have my own foundation because I don't wear it. So it's not going to be my colour. She's a lot darker than me. I'm
Yeah.
pasty.
I am.
I'm pasty. I'm just an English boy.
He's a white boy.
I'm a white boy. So we're going to see how this looks. I've got a
Yes.
butt plug.
You squirt this on the butt plug. And then you blend it.
How much? Like that?
A little bit more.
Like that?
Yeah, that's good.
Like that?
Yeah, and then on the other one.
Okay.
And on your nose.
Like that?
Uh-huh.
Like that?
Uh-huh. And now you blend.
I'm doing it!
He's doing it.
Oh, it's going to be rough around the edges. I'm not going to lie.
Yeah, well, that's normal.
Oh, that's it. Yeah, looks great in the tash. Oh, I feel like I'm getting bogeyed coming out now.
Mm. I think it's blended now. And now you put this
What's this?
under your eyes.
Oh.
So you do a triangle under your eyes, but try not to get too close to your eyeliner.
Boom.
No. And now you blend again. Blah blah blah.
I think I'm going to be better than you soon. Okay,
Did you blend everywhere?
I think so.
That's good. Just dab it all over your face.
And then literally just dab. Like this. Am I doing, is this the right technique?
Mhm.
Okay, I think I'm done with that.
Yeah. Now you do your contouring.
Oh,
These colors on your cheekbones to define them.
let's define my cheekbones.
Right, let's go. Don't be shy, put some more. And then maybe put some blush because I think that'll make it better. So you choose the pink.
Pink, so I get the pink.
Oh,
And
you
then-
put too much.
Did I?
Oh, sorry.
She just hit me.
And then you just put it in the middle of each eye.
Like here?
Yeah.
What do I do? Circular motion?
Uh-huh.
See, look, I know the circular motion. They both.
Maybe do your nice as well.
I've seen her do this before, so I already know, like, that's what she does. See? I pay attention. I'm a boyfriend that pays attention. Right, bum chin is rosy.
Alright.
Which,
Everyone's gonna clock me for that, for using big brushes, but I like to use big brushes for highlighter because I fucking want to.
Puffed up my nose.
The amount of highlights are you for?
Okay, so I'm gonna have a shiny nose. Damn, that's shiny. I'm gonna put some more on my cheeks. I'm popping. I'm gonna be like a star.
Mascara. Shut up, bro.
Oh, I know what this is. I don't like this. I got my mirror. Oh. Yeah. Just jab myself in the eye. Yeah, it's sticking. This is not nice to have on your face. I'm not gonna
Do you
lie.
want to put more concealer to hide the black one?
Yeah, let's do that.
I'll do that for you. Oh, my ass hurts.
How'd you put lipstick on?
Just follow your lips, it ain't.
Oh, very dry lips.
That string of saliva though.
Oh, that's a bit grim. Oh, I went over. How do you make this so like effortless? You're just like. I literally look like I got into like a bag of cheesy Doritos or something.
Yeah, that's the point.
Okay. Are we done?
We are.
This is my look. Here you go. Looking beautiful.
Montage time.
If you enjoyed, give it a like, maybe share it.
I feel like it's his channel now.
I know, I'm taking over now. So subscribe to Reese Mickover's channel. No, but yeah, like, subscribe, share.
Yeah, share.
If you liked it.
Do all these things.
Yeah.
Don't be fucking mean.
Yeah.
Because
Also,
I know you. I
Yeah.
know you people.
Okay.
I know you people.
Hey,